Today, we're going to prepare a classic that wins over the palate, a dish full of flavor and Peruvian tradition, a delicious peanut chicken. We start by seasoning 6 pieces of chicken with a little black pepper and a pinch of salt. Use your hands or a spoon to mix everything well. Make sure every piece of chicken is well coated. Add 5 tablespoons of oil to a preheated pot over medium heat. Gently lay in the chicken pieces and let them sear, 5 minutes per side until golden. Once the chicken is beautifully golden, take it out gently and set it aside for later. Add 1 finely chopped red onion to that same oil, rich with flavor. Stir and saute for about 3 minutes, making sure it cooks evenly without burning. Then we add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of Peruvian yellow chili paste, and 3 tablespoons of panca chili paste, a smoky red chili used in traditional Peruvian cooking. Now, let it saute over medium-low heat for about 7 minutes. Keep stirring to prevent the chili pastes from burning. Once the sautéed base is ready, pour in 1.5 liters of chicken broth, or just water if you prefer. Now it's time to add the star ingredient, 100 grams of ground peanuts, and don't forget a bit of salt to taste. Now, return the chicken pieces we browned earlier. Let it simmer with the lid on over low heat for about 10 minutes. Then take off the lid and gently coat each piece of chicken with that rich, creamy sauce. Cover the pot again and let everything cook for the final 15 minutes. And that's it. Quick, easy, and full of flavor. Our delicious Peruvian peanut chicken is now ready to serve and enjoy. Bon appétit!